Welcome to our video, the secret to choosing the perfect paint color for your space. Whether you're refreshing a single room or revamping your entire home, selecting the right paint color is crucial to creating a harmonious atmosphere. In this video, we'll explore the psychology of color, how the room's purpose impacts your choice, and practical tips for testing hues before making a commitment. From considering existing elements to mastering techniques like accent walls, we've got you covered on how to embrace color in a way that reflects your personal style while enhancing your space. Let's dive in. 1. Understand the psychology of color. Color is not just a visual element, it has the power to affect our emotions and behavior. For instance, blue often brings a sense of peace and tranquility, making it ideal for bedrooms or bathrooms. On the other hand, red is known to stimulate energy and passion, perfect for dining rooms or creative spaces. When selecting a color, consider the mood you wish to evoke. If you want a calm and serene environment, opt for soft pastels or cool tones. For a lively and energetic space, vibrant and warm colors could do wonders. 2. Consider the room's purpose. Every room in your home serves a distinct purpose, and your choice of paint color should complement that function. For example, a bedroom is a place for rest and relaxation, so soothing colors like lavender or pale blue might be ideal. Conversely, a kitchen, often seen as the heart of the home, can benefit from warm colors like burnt orange or sunny yellow that stimulate appetite and conversation. By aligning the color with the room's purpose, you'll create an environment that feels just right. 3. Test your paint colors before committing. Before you dive into painting, it's crucial to test your color choices. Purchase small sample pots and apply swatches on different walls. Observe how the color changes throughout the day, as natural and artificial light can alter its appearance. This step is essential to avoid any regrets. Seeing the color in the actual space will give you a clearer picture of how it will look and feel, saving you from costly mistakes later on. 4. Consider the room's existing elements. When selecting paint colors, take a good look at the existing elements in the room. This includes furniture, flooring, and decorative accessories. The paint should harmonize with these elements rather than clash. For instance, if you have rich, dark wood furniture, a lighter wall color might create a striking contrast. Similarly, if your space features a lot of bold patterns, a neutral wall color can balance it out. Complementary colors will ensure a cohesive and pleasing aesthetic. 5. Embrace accent walls and color blocking. If you're feeling adventurous, consider adding an accent wall or experimenting with color blocking. An accent wall can serve as a focal point, drawing attention and adding depth to the room. Choose a bold color that contrasts with the other walls for maximum impact. Alternatively, color blocking involves using 2 or more colors within a space, creating a modern and artistic look. This approach allows you to play with different hues without overwhelming the space. 6. Think about the size of the room. The size of your room can significantly impact your color choice. Light colors can make a small room feel more spacious and airy, while dark shades can create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. If you're dealing with a compact space, consider using whites, creams, or light grays to enhance the sense of openness. On the flip side, if you have a large room that feels a bit too expansive, deep, rich colors can help create a more inviting and snug environment. 7. Trust your instincts and personal style. While guidelines and trends are helpful, it's important to trust your instincts and personal taste when choosing paint colors. Your home is a reflection of who you are, so don't shy away from colors you love, even if they're unconventional. If you have a favorite color, find a way to incorporate it into your space. After all, you'll be the one living with it, so it should bring you joy and comfort. 8. Use color to enhance your home's architecture. Paint can be a powerful tool to highlight your home's architectural features. Consider painting moldings, trims, or built-in shelves in a contrasting color to make them stand out. This can add character and charm to your space. Even subtle shifts in shade can draw attention to unique features like arches or wainscoting, enhancing the overall aesthetic and making your home feel more personalized. 9. Consider seasonal changes and long-term use. Think about how your chosen colors will transition through the seasons. A color that feels warm and inviting in the winter might feel too heavy in the summer. Additionally, consider how long you plan to keep the paint. If you often change decor, opting for neutral tones might offer more flexibility. This way, you can easily switch out accessories or furnishings without the need for a complete repaint. 10. Use color to create a sense of flow between rooms. Creating a sense of flow between rooms is essential for a harmonious home. You don't need to paint every room the same color, but using complementary hues can help maintain a cohesive look. Consider using different shades of the same color or colors that are adjacent on the color wheel. This approach ensures each room has its own identity while still feeling like part of a unified whole.